guys, welcome back to Wrenie Bird Channel. This is me, Wrenie Bird here, and I'm going to be painting this beautiful fairy. Now she has a mushroom right here, and a mushroom right here, and she is like kind of plastic, but kind of glassish, so you can see. Don't do that though. And then this is the box it came in. So I am going to get started. I'm kind of going to do it the same as the box. Not really because I'm going to do it my own. Of course you all want to do your own. But I'm going to paint the dress the same color. I think it would look the same color. I hope. Because that is such a beautiful color. Now let's get right into this video. So I'm going to take my brush. It is very smooth because it is in a plastic little container. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to dip my brush into the blue paint. Now I'm going to hold her by her wings for right now. It doesn't really look like it, but hopefully it will dry like it because I really like that color. And I'm gonna mix in a little bit of light blue that's my own. So let me get my light blue. I'm gonna mix in this and these. And I'm going to put this on the plate that I have. And I'm going to open the other one. That one was this. And now I am going to do the other color that I showed you. Can't squeeze it out. Oh, there. And it is to this. Now I am going to mix this dark blue that it came with and put it on the plate. Then I'm going to take the other light blue, the really light blue, and mix that in. Ooh, that makes a really pretty blue. And then I'm going to put my brush in the water and dab it on a paper towel. Then I'm going to take the other color blue and mix it. Oh, I love that color. Now time to paint. So I'm just painting along. Oh, and that color is beautiful. Now it's already, if you do it a little bit messy, just try not to do it messy because I got it on my arm and I do not like it like that. But I will fix it later. See, Mama Bird? This is the color.
That looks great. Let me know when you're done with part 1 and I'll upload it for you, okay?
Okay. So we may have to do a part 1 because sometimes the film cuts out or something, just to warn you guys, or we run out of time on the phone. So you guys, just to warn you, we may have to do a part 2 unnoticing. Now it's already, if you just paint like splotchy, like boom, 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 because you could do another coat. I may do another coat and do the part 2 with another coat. Yeah, I think I'll do that because this is turning out kind of white. Now I'm going to take some more paint and do it really close to the hair. Shoot, I got it on my hair. Never mind. Now to make the skin color, you have to mix, I think, a little bit of white and a little bit of yellow. If you want to make it brown, you have to like mix all the colors together except for the white. And then maybe a few of these colors. Now it has sparkly red, pink, gray, that pretty blue, red and white and black and red and yellow. I already said red, but that's fine. So I'm just still painting, and I am just painting along, and this color is super pretty. I already mentioned that. It's super pretty. I just love it so much. See, look how pretty. It's just so pretty. Can't take it. Now I am just painting along. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's pretty because it has like the little lines. It's fine if you get it on the legs. Remember, we're gonna go over it with some other paint. And I'm just painting along. I love it so much. Why do I keep on saying it? 1 second. Okay guys, so I went ahead and painted the dress. So I'm gonna show you. So see, it's fully painted all around. So beautiful, I love it. So now I am going to make the skin color because I cannot stand to see that mess on her skin. Now let's get right into it. Okay, so first I need to do plate or to clean it off. So let me just get a new plate. Okay, so I found another painting plate. So what you're gonna do is, you can see these are the colors that came with it. I am going to open the yellow. Mama Bird, can you open the yellow for me? Or Grandma Bird? Grandma Bird, I need you to open the yellow and the white, both. Hey, I like your shirt. It looks like a bird.
No
So
problem.
the yellow and the white.
Anything for you, love. Except for Meemaw Bird has bad thumbs. Oh, Grandma Bird has arthritis in her thumbs. It's something that happens when you get old, and it's right here. It's called basal joint arthritis. Telling people, they need to know.
So definitely don't ask your grandma to do that.
If she has basal joint arthritis, because it's hard.
Yeah.
There you go. Hi, Wrenie Bird fans.
That's it. She loves you guys more than me. Wow.
You know that's not true.
Hey,
Yeah.
did you know Mr. Ron upstairs? Oh. I just want to tell you, he knows all about houses and roofs.
1 second. Okay, so I went ahead and made my color for the skin. It's kind of a creamy color. I don't really like it, but that's all I could get. So I'm just gonna paint her legs. Ugh. Oh, is right. This is a terrible skin color. I mean, it's bad on someone that's white, but it would be great on a real human. Blah. If any of you guys have this, it would look great on you, but definitely not on the human. So please make it lighter and less yellow. Look, it looks too yellow. Totally, I cannot stand it. I do not like it at all. So I'm just going to pause the video and paint this leg. and then I will show you. Okay guys, so I painted the skin, I painted the legs, and you guys may want to do this. Grandpa Bird, he painted the toenails while I wasn't looking. And there, the same goes the dress. Looks super weird if you can see. Yep. And then he painted the eyes and the mouth. But we can just go over that with the pink and the black and the white, of course. Now, on the box, I made the red lips. No, actually, I'll do the wings white. Okay, so I'm going to take my paintbrush and dab it on the paper. Take some white. Hold it by the other wing that I'm not going to be painting. And paint. Whoa. Big difference. Big difference. Mama Bird, come check it out.
Sure. Please.
Now we're totally gonna do a second coat of everything except for the black, because the black is black, so it doesn't need a second coat. But totally for the wings, we need a second coat, because we're painting them white and they're all splotchy in there. So this is like when I found this was in the winter, so
Wow, I love the color of her dress. Her toenails are beautiful. Yellow skin.
no, we tried to make it cream.
Well, you know what? It almost looks like she's glowing. Kind of like Tinkerbell.
Yeah.
I like that.
But I'm trying to paint her wings white right now.
Ooh, well, silver would be pretty. Maybe you could like tip them in silver.
Yeah, like the tips at the very top. But I'm gonna do on the box, I'm talking to you guys also, I'm gonna do like a blue in the middle and then like a shattering.
Ooh.
Like on the box. Excuse me. I just ate. So I'm going to close it when this is done and let it dry, and then I'm going to do a second coat, and then I'm going to pause it again, and then I'm going to do the other wing. So there. Now I will close it. Okay. And let it dry. Bye. Toodaloo. Toodaloo, yo, yo, yo. Ha, 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 ha. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, so like in that many minutes, it was like 5 minutes. It was dry because I did it really light, as you can't see. Maybe not. Maybe I did it really light. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and do one more coat, and hopefully that's it, because. And I do not want to do it again. Again. Over and over again. Like I said, everything is going to get a second coat, but a very thick second coat. And that's probably going to be it, but if it needs a third coat, like the wings probably will, I will do it, even though I don't want to. I like getting things done quick, but when it's for someone, I'm keeping this. I did take my time, like one time for Christmas. I had to give it to my mom a little late, but I painted a board, and it was like with mermaids, and she was like reaching out for me, and I was dressed like Ariel. I was talking to my friends, and there was beautiful fish, there was a broken ship, there was a castle. Oh, it was beautiful. And then there was water and sand and seashells. Yep. So I'm kind of not taking my time when it comes to keeping it for myself. Okay, so now I'm going to get some gray right here. It doesn't really turn out pretty like it does. It turns out like that. So I'm just gonna do that. Now I'm gonna shut the yellow, but I'm keeping the white open because I love the whites. So now I'm going to squeeze that gray onto my plate. And it doesn't really turn out that pretty, so I'm just gonna take a tiny bit of white, like this. Got a little bit on my brush and mix it with that gray. La 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 la. Okay, so I don't like that color gray, so I'm going to put a little bit more gray. Love Mama's Bird's idea. I hope it will work. I could have done gold. I'll do gold on the other side, and we'll see how that turns out. Now I have glittery red. So I named all of them glittery red. And I just put it on the lid with a permanent marker. Ooh, great idea. Like it. Yeah, so I did the gray. I think I'm gonna go over top of it and do the yellow because I didn't really like the gray. So, while that's drying, I think I am going to do the lips. So I'm going to mix a little bit of my red and a little bit of this chalk pink. It's beautiful. It's so pretty, I can't even take it. So, got the chalk pink open. And, oh, I mean eraser pink. It's eraser pink, not chalk pink. Ah! Okay, so I'm gonna ask Mama Bird really quick to open my red because these are really hard to open. So Mama Bird got the wrong pink, but that's fine. I am just going to get my little tiny paintbrush and dab it on the towel and take some red. Actually, you know what? I think she should just have red lips. Okay, so it's dry. Really scared to do this. Really steady hand. Okay, so it looks kind of good. Doesn't look as good as the box. It actually looks terrible to the box. But, you know, just try your best. Best. Okay, whatever. So when that's done, I'm going to put the glittery red on it. That's right here. I've used a lot of it. One time I squeezed it on the paint tray and it overflowed it. Exploded, sorry. Excuse my mouth. So, I am going to, let's seal the box. Paint her hair. No, I am going to, oh right, they have black. So I'm going to shut the white actually and ask Mama Bird to open the black. Let me pause this video. Okay, so I got the black and the white open because I need the white and the black for her eyes. So I'm thinking to start with the white because I can't paint black. I can't paint white over black because I can't do this. I can do the circle over the white. So I'm going to take my paintbrush and carefully sketch on the eyes. Just do a little dot. So it didn't turn out that well. When it dries, I'll definitely have to do the cream skin again. Actually, okay, it dried. Okay. I'm just fixing the eyes up and stuff a little bit. Really hard. 1 second. Hi guys, I'm back with Grandpa Bird. I'm just gonna let him do something with the eyes. I'll be right back. Toodaloo.
Okay, I'm going to paint the eyes because the brush is not quite as fine as I would like it. And we're trying to get in a very small area. So here goes. Even harder will be to put the blue eyes. That'll be even harder. It's going to be very hard to make these look like eyes. In fact, it looks like your eyes are closed in this statue. I don't
You can
know
fix
that
up anything if you want.
I don't know that she really would need eyes, but we're going to try by putting the white on first, letting that dry, and then we're gonna put blue right over top of it. I think blue eyes would go good with this blue dress. I'm not sure the color eyes that Eva wants, but we're gonna give it a shot. It's a nice pretty blue to match her dress a little bit. I don't know if this is going to be dark enough, but we'll see. Yeah, but it looks like her eyes could be closed. So maybe we put some eyeshadow in there like that.
You know, or we could just do what's on the box, like the black.
Oh, that's just so hard. That's so hard. Let's see if we can put a blue eye on her. There.
But I want to put the
Look at that eye there. You know what eyebrows do?
Yeah,
That looks
I
good.
want to do.
There you go.
I want to do the eyes exactly like the box, except for the.
But how do we make brown?
Except for I have no idea. I think
Red?
you.
Red
no,
and
I
green?
think you use purple and.
I think you need to take
Red.
red and green. Is that green right there?
No. How do you make green?
Blue and
It's
yellow.
Blue and yellow.
What is that, black? Blue and yellow does make green, so we're going to put red with blue would make purple. And then when we mix yellow with it, that might be the combination. See if that turns brown. Yep, not bad brown. Not a bad brown at all. Look at that. That was a little bit of blue, a little bit of yellow,
And a little bit of red.
a little bit of red. We have a nice brown for
Oh, be careful.
Eyebrows.
Can I try
we only
the
get
hair? I want the hair to be brown. Let's see. Brown. Black and brown. Brown. I like brown. Yum, yum. I'm eating my snack. These are delicious. They're Speedos. Speedo! Ow! Ow!
Okay, that's
Yeah!
big eyebrows. Big eyebrows.
You need to fix that.
We're gonna try to fix that with some face color here, some of the yellow and white.
Wait,
'Cause
show
it's-
them, show them. Do not do that. Only if you
It's
like.
not so bad.
Yeah, you just need to fix it a bit.
I like helping Ava.
What?